Morning.
So, how are you? Yeah, I am also doing great. So, I am a student. I am a student of this institute, as you know, International Institute of Foreign Language. And today we have a debate about two topics. Our topic is love marriage, and their topic is arranged marriage. Let's begin with this. Hope you will enjoy our video.
Okay, so hi guys, and I'm supporting the arranged marriage. So arranged marriage is the best marriage. Why I'm saying this? Because I have seen us several times, even our neighbor, surrounding us, society, and anywhere. Who those person who are doing love marriage, they are getting very much losses in their whole life, and even they are just fighting to each other. What happened in our arranged marriage? So just because they are building their relation with the two families, but if their people are doing the love marriage, so they are, especially in Indian culture, they are not supporting the love marriage, and they are just saying don't do the love marriage. And apart from it,
From
arranged
which
marriage
Indian
is the
culture you
literally
are?
good.
From which Indian culture you are? Because in my culture, in my Indian culture, we have seen a lot of love marriages. Shiv and Shakti is the greatest example of love marriage. They are the ones who actually made that. And arranged marriage is one of the example of home violence. If you are not aware, if you guys are not aware about this, many women feel that. Okay, you guys are not aware about the partner, and you just marry just because of your parent, and then you feel the violence.
Maybe you
The
don't trust
husband
your
and the
parents.
woman are
Maybe you
clapping
don't
it, and
trust
then
your parents
the woman
enough.
is asking
Sir,
for the
listen to
money.
me. Maybe you don't trust your parents enough. That's why you are saying our parents are choosing a partner for us. And how we can say we are going to live a happy life after that? Maybe you are not understanding. Our parents also got arranged marriage, and they are living happily. They also had us. We are also understanding how it is important for the people. And when people are doing love
Ma'am,
marriage,
we are
they
not
understand
against
they are
of
getting
arranged marriage.
divorced,
We
they
are
not
just saying
even
that
getting
love
the
marriage is
proper
better because in the love marriage the peoples are understanding themselves and the peoples are living very much. If you are saying that arranged marriage is good, in the arranged marriage many type of cases when it happens whenever the like a bride side don't get the like dowry type of things, so they did hurt the like a woman. So why that type of things happens?
Sir, that is not dowry. That is a gift from the bride side. And we also know that, think about those people who don't have a time to find a perfect love. And if they are not able to find someone to marry, then from whom they will marry. And that's why I think arranged marriage is good.
According to me, dowry it's not gift, bro. It's totally offense according to Indian Penal Code Act. So we have to against for dowry. In love marriage, so many people are avoid to get dowries. People are bonding with each other with their heart. Like we can take an example of ancient times, like
Sir, this
Radha
is
Krishna
not a
and
debate
Radha.
of dowry or any other thing. This is for your kind information. This is a debate of love marriage versus arranged marriage. We are here to side of arranged marriage. So apart from this, arranged marriage is, you all are saying that love marriage is good, arranged marriage is bad. So you all are doing love marriages.
Yes.
Means you are against with your parents.
Ma'am, we
You
know
are
all
not-
topic is
you are not
arranged marriage or love marriage. So we want to say that it's also a part of the marriage, the dowry when people give when they marry. And if I talk about the love marriage, in love marriage, boy don't demand the dowry, and in the arranged marriage, boy demand because of their government job and kind of things. But if I talk about the love marriage, in love marriage, they spend some years with.
Okay, so brother, just talk about your partner. You all are living. I don't know what kind of culture they are demanding or earning. I don't know what you are just saying. You need to be understand one thing. Which thing is most important while doing marriage? That is blessing. And if you are doing the arranged marriage, that is our parents give a blessing. That is most important. Apart from it, the
Okay.
relation.
Okay.
We are
So
building towards the
okay, Ritik sir.
families. Apart from
Okay,
it, if
Ritik
you
sir.
want to live
Have you
your
seen?
life happily? Or
Ritik
if
sir,
you want
please
to go your
let me
any
speak here.
that time you need to do
Have you seen
arranged
12th fail movie? Have you seen 12th fail movie? I think you have not seen. That's why you are talking about it. Okay, if you are staying with any girl since I think 10 to 5 years, so I think it can be the reason of your success as well. You know, the most of the girls I have seen who appreciate their boys for their success.
Bro,
Okay, you have to understand it because if you connect with any girl, so who can be appreciate you in your success as well.
It is not exist in real life. So, bro, in the we see many people will love marriage. So after that, some time he will giving a divorce. so it is not a long-lasting relationship. But in the arranged
Excuse
marriage,
me, sir. It's that movie is on the real-based movie. Okay. So firstly, just think about that. And the second thing is in Rajasthan, in Haryana, in Punjab, there is so many kind of family who did a lots of this kind of marriages. The child marriages, they just do that kind of marriages with a forcefully. Like girls don't know about their broom, but they have to marry with them.
But ma'am, this love marriage is not our
True.
culture part, na? It's a Western culture. We are copying in the Western culture, but you don't know about the fact. 90% arranged marriage is successful, but 99% love marriage is fail. I have experience, but I have not married, but I have experience. I have supported a lot of friend and
Friend, I want to add some point.
I have supported
Are you
lots
any
of friend.
authority? How do you make that percentage? 90% is successful and 10% is
Actually,
not.
I am a social
You
worker.
can't- you
I am
can't
social
tell
worker.
that
I am
it's-
working on it. Na, I am helping
What?
the.
What kind of NGO you have? What kind of NGO
I am
you
giving you
have?
example.
Tell me the name of your NGO. Tell me the name of your organization that you are saying that.
Getting marriage
90%
easily.
and
Getting
10%.
marriage easily. My foundation name is.
According to you, it's not.
my foundation is-
According to me, I am living in Mumbai, Maharashtra. There is a trending culture is love marriage. Our parents are also supporting love marriages because people who are working in MNCs or any service sectors, they are working in same offices.
Maybe you are not understanding those people who are doing love marriage. If they can't be their parents, so how can be with their partners? So they are not even respecting their partner because they have been together since a very long time. What they could have done? So we cannot easily support the love marriage. Our parents are also not supporting because they understand that it is not good enough for our children. That's why they are saying arranged marriage is much better. In the arranged marriage, we are also understanding how to live our life with the partner who we don't know, but we are understanding, we are loving them very slowly.
Okay.
So
That is
the
a good
most
thing.
important thing.
I want you guys to prepare for your dowries. Okay, if you are going to do arranged marriage, you should prepare for that because the demand is too high for the dowries. You are going to get married with some want to get married with some rich guy, and they will ask for definitely 10 lakhs. You should do that, and you should get a job as well. You should cook as well. Okay, and apart from it, if you are already in love with that particular person, you know about that person, you already are in coordination with that person so that you can live happily. Okay,
brother, you
after
need
that
to
you have
stop
to spend
yourself.
5 years
Whatever you are
just to
just saying,
spend
it's totally
understand
wrong,
that particular
right? The
person.
thing
How you
is
will do
that-
that, brother?
How will I do? Just you will see in future, brother. Apart from it, you need to be understand whatever you are just saying. It's so wrong. First thing is that you are saying where you are living the Indian culture and still you are adopting the Western culture. The second thing is that you are saying about the especially you NGOs and many more things, brother. Where do you see? And even now at time we are living in a the 21st era where we have a the Chat GPT, AI, Google. There are several certificates
Okay,
where
Ritik
you
sir.
can get the exact data, right? Apart from it, especially all of you are saying
Okay,
that
sir.
love marriage,
Okay,
that was
sir.
good.
Just wait.
So, but
There
you need
is
to
too
understand about
lot.
the
There
value of
is.
divorce. Why divorce happened? Just because of the love marriage.
Do you
Apart
know?
from it, what
Do you
happened?
know there is two lord? First is Shiva and second is Radha Krishna. They are that kind of marriages which name is love marriage. So it's not a Western culture. It's under in our culture. And second thing is that why?
But ma'am, we are
why-
not God. We are
Wait,
not God.
sir,
We
no,
are
just-
human.
no,
You have to
just wait.
understand. Na, you can't
Wait and
sacrifice
listen to me.
your all life with
Just
your
wait
partner.
and
You have to
listen
understand,
me.
ma'am.
Do
We
you
are
know
not
one
God.
thing? Do you know one thing? Why the arranged marriages is working just because of the female, because she just
No, you are talking also
She
about
is-
dowry. If girl is well educated, he is working, she is working. So why we need to give dowry? We don't need to give dowry, na?
Okay, so Rocky sir, don't shouting on us. Okay, and second thing is that you have not any specific knowledge. You are just speaking what comes in your mind. Okay, in Indian family, the most of the domestic violence happen just because of dowry system. You have to understand it. If you get married with anyone, and your family will insist daughter's father for dowry system.
said that in
No,
Indian
you have to
family
understand it.
only because
As a girl, you need to
of
understand it.
dowry,
You're gonna do marriage after the 1 and 2 years.
There is
So
many reasons which have domestic violence there in love marriages and just not for only dowry. And ma'am, you said that child marriages and many of the marriages are love marriages good, and so child marriage if we child marriages are doing, then child marriages are not so good.
Ma'am, I want to talk about that. The person is again talking about the culture, and then why he is wearing a jacket. It's a kind of Western culture. Why he is not wearing a dhoti and kurta? So I want to give you a good example of a
Means
news.
you are comparing the human with
Recently,
object.
I have seen a news
Brother,
about
which means you are comparing the human with objects. We are not an object. And apart from it, the second thing which you need to understand, we are not an animal. Just choose a particular person, then after 3 months, I don't like it, just leave it. Then choose a second one. Then I don't like it, just go another one. We are not that kind of person. And that is not a culture. And you are giving the example of God. God didn't do that kind of thing. Oh Parvati, I don't like you, just go away. I will find out someone else. That kind of, this is not our God, right?
Sir, it is a human
You are
mistake.
just saying
Sir,
this
it is a human mistake, not the marriage mistake. Sir, it's a human mistake, not the marriage mistake. You are saying that in the arranged marriage, people are just comparing their wife with others people's. You know that thing. Like people are saying that I got that much dowry, that people, other person got that much dowry. So you have to think that person. And the other thing, most of
We
the
will see how many of you will get love marriage because your parents are not going to even support that. Bharti ma'am, I don't think your parents are going to support the love marriage because they care about their daughter. You are saying the child marriage and all, that used to be forced marriage, not arranged marriage. Arranged marriage is something different. They ask for the consent of the two
Guys,
parties.
why they
If you want to get married to
why
him,
they
if you
believe
want
in
to get
arranged
married to
marriage?
her.
Because I don't think they are going to get any kind of love. Neither you guys get any boy, neither you guys get any girls. Apart from it, that you are saying divorce and these kind of thing, you guys don't even understand the word love. Okay, it is commitment that obviously you guys cannot understand, and love marriage that makes commitment, and it is very necessary in the life. If you are going to have a partner, you should have that kind of commitment in your partner. That is why love marriage are to understand the
Sir,
people.
so love
it is
is
very
not in arranged marriage. Love is not happening in arranged marriage. You are saying that only love is in only love marriage. Arranged marriage.
Only love marriage.
No, not at all. So many love marriages got distracted, and so many love marriages we are saying.
Okay, so
that
Ritik sir,
got divorced.
Ritik sir, are you preparing for government job, right? If you get the government job, and so will you get married without taking dowry? No, brother. You will not take. You will not get married without taking dowry. You have to understand it. Apart from it, you are talking about the love marriage, this kind of thing.
But
So, brother,
brother,
I'll show you.
I
I'll
think
show
you have
it's
no
written
any
in our
idea.
constitution as
Love
well.
is
You have to
another
understand.
thing. Marriage is another thing. You have no idea, na? You know, John Doll. He's a true lover. He says if you love someone, na, you not need to marry her. If you marry her, love will be destroyed. You want to be a lover.
Brother,
you
I'll let you know. Okay, I'm coming from the political science.
Marriage is
Let
another
me
thing.
speak. Let me speak, brother. If your daughter wants to get married with any boys, na, so I think law will give you the chance to you can get married with anyone.
No, arranged marriage
You
is
cannot
equal.
say anything about
In arranged marriage, your family, you know about boy side, girls about not boy side, boy know about girl family and relative also.
Okay, let me give you one real life example. Okay, recently my sister was about to get married, and we it was arranged marriage. Okay, and we get to know that the boy was drinking, the boy was not into that kind of stuffs, and then that boy, particularly that boy, was not good enough for her. Okay, and let's suppose if she would have get married to that particular boy, what would have happened? Her life would have ruined. Okay, so that is why you guys are not mature. You guys are not mature enough to
means you are
understand
not
what
able
is
to
the
find out a proper
disadvantages
guy.
of
That's the
arranged
meaning.
marriage.
You are
Okay.
just polishing yourself. Even you don't have the sense how to find out a guy. That's your problem, brother. It's not the arrange or love marriage. Arranged marriage, and you are find a true love here. Now what time in that generation, brother, now what time Kali Yuga is going on. You need to be understand about. There is no love. Here you are giving the example of Radha and Krishna. They got married. Of course not. Of course not, ma'am. You need to read about our Vedas. If you are saying that Radha and Krishna got married, so you need to read.
Sir, who
our
is saying
Vedas.
that the love marriage is not stable? You can take the example of Shah Rukh Khan. He did a love marriage, but you see them. They are like living together.
Brother, everyone
they are living
knows
together.
like rich
Don't
man Shah Rukh Khan.
shout.
If you
Don't
have
shout.
money, if you
you
have
are not
money,
to be able to
enough
shout
money,
on myself.
then you can
You
survive
have to
love marriage.
stop.
I have
Don't
example.
shout,
No,
first of all.
let
You
me
have to
complete.
stop,
Let me
sir.
complete, man. Let me complete. Now, I have example. My brother loves one girl, and he lives with 7 years. But after 7 years, get married. He after 1 year married, he will divorce with other and fighting each other. actually he did not
So you are gonna do that type of thing same as you, your brother dude. You are not that
That's why
person.
I'm saying you
your
get
brother
arranged
did
marriage.
wrong.
That's why
I
you
know
get arranged marriage.
I know
And
that,
it's
sir. I know that your brother did wrong, but it is not a matter of that thing. You are not say that love marriage is not good. Love marriage is good, but you are not.